My dear fellow citizens of Meghalaya, on the occasion of the 73rd Republic Day and in the 50th year of the statehood of Meghalaya, I convey my heartfelt greetings to all the citizens of the state. On this day, we salute the values of our democracy and reaffirm our commitment to liberty, fraternity, and equality among all our citizens. Let us, on this day, pay homage to all the freedom fighters. Let us also remember, with reverence, Meghalaya's own patriots, U Turot Singh, U Kyang Nangba, and Pathogan and Sangma, and many other unsung heroes. I would also like to express my gratitude to the members of the armed forces, the paramilitary, and the police force for their selfless services rendered for the safety of our citizens. Friends, the overall law and order situation in the state was peaceful during the previous year. Various festivals, including National Day celebrations, passed off peacefully. We were also successful in arriving at a resolution in the 6 of the 12 border areas of differences with the state of Assam. We have been among the better performing states in terms of creation of infrastructure, program execution, and service delivery. We saw an accelerated pace of implementation in schemes such as the PMGSY, Jal Jeevan Mission, and the MGNREGS. Iconic infrastructure such as the new Assembly Building, the Shillong International Center for Performing Arts, the Gunnol Hydroelectric Power Project, the Crowborough and the Marriott Hotels, the P.A. Sangma Stadium in Tura, the Waijer Football Stadium, the IT Park in Shillong, water supply projects at Bakmara and Nongstoin, the Shillong Government College of Engineering and the College of Architecture and Urban Planning will be made operational this year. Apart from these, huge investments are being made in tourism, roads, health, and the power sector with the assistance from externally funding agencies. I would like to highlight that within a short span of 4 years, the amount being invested by external funding agencies has gone up from 2,300 crores in 2018 to 7,000 crores today. Further, the Umroi Airport that now has direct connectivity to 7 cities was also operationalized during the last 3 years. Friends, we are also prioritizing the welfare of what I consider the 3 core pillars of our society: the farmers, the women, and the youth. We have made targeted interventions such as bringing down the interest rates on KCC loans to 0%. We are also assisting the farmers to take up collectivization by giving a support of Rs 5,000 to each farming household under the Focus program. The mission mode projects such as Lakadong Mission, the Mushroom Mission, the Piggery Mission, Aquaculture Mission, and the Milk Mission are being implemented and expanded to create additional sources of income for our farmers. We have already reached out to almost 50,000 farming households under these initiatives, and the goal is to reach all the 4.5 lakh farming households in the state by the end of this year. We are also supporting the self-help group movement to empower the women in our state. In just over 3 years, we have formed over 28,000 self-help groups, which is a 5-fold jump from the 5,500 self-help groups that we had in 2018. Additionally, we are also laying great emphasis on their health and nutrition aspects through the Mother program. Through deployment of technology and commitment from our health workers, The program has benefited almost 1.13 lakh women over the last 3 years. We have been striving to ensure that the youth in our state get the best of facilities and opportunity for growth. The health, education, and sports infrastructure that we are building will precisely provide such opportunities for the youth. Further, about 10,000 youths will be trained in skill and talent as part of the recently launched state youth policy. Friends, my government is committed to achieving the vision of being amongst top 10 states in the next 10 years. I am confident that with the foundation that we have laid and with the continued support from all the citizens, we will be able to make this the Meghalayan decade. Before I conclude, I want to once again pay homage to the great freedom fighters. I also want to compliment and thank the community leaders, health workers, and frontline workers who have worked untiringly over the last 2 years to fight the pandemic. I sincerely pray that we will be able to return to normalcy this year. Thank you, Kublai, Mutela, and Jai Hind.